Hello my dear students, I heartily welcome you all in this session. Our subject mathematics class 8th standard. Dear students, in this class we are going to study in squares and square roots, finding square root by division method. My dear students, when the number are large, even the method of finding square root by prime factorization becomes lengthy and difficult. To overcome this problem, we use a long division method. Is it? For this, we need to determine the number of digits in square root. Observe in the following table, number 10 square is 100, 10 tens are 100, which is the smallest 3-digit perfect square. 31, 961, which is the greatest 3-digit perfect square. 32,024, which is the smallest 4-digit perfect square. 99, 9,801, which is the greatest 4-digit perfect square. So what can we say about the number of digits in the square root is perfect? Square is a 3-digit or a 4-digit number. We can say that if a perfect digit is a square 3-digit or a 4-digit number, then its square root will be 2-digit. It is 2-digit or a 4-digit. The smallest 3-digit perfect square number is 100, which is the square of 10. Greatest 3-digit perfect number is 961, which is the square of 31. The smallest 4-digit number is 1024, which is the square of 32, and the greatest 4-digit number is 9801 and square is 99. So this is used to finding the roots by division method. So step by step I'll explain you. Place here I have taken number 529. This example is there in your textbook also. Place a bar over every pair of digits starting from a digit at ones place, like this, 2, 1. Like this we have to mark. If the number of digits odd, the leftmost number is a single. Digit 2 will have a bar, like this. Next one, find this we have to arrange like this. Okay, find the largest whose square is less than or equal to the number under the extreme left bar. Dear students, here we have to take the number which have perfect square whose square is less than or equal to this number. Like 1 ones are 1, it is very less. 2 twos are 4, yes. 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9 is greater. So better we have to take 2. 2 twos are 4. Subtract it. 5 minus 4 is 1. Is it? Take this number as a divisor of a quotient. The number under the extreme left bar is here 5. Divide and get the remainder 1 in this case. Next, step 2. Bring down the number under the next bar. This next we have to not only 2 numbers also we have to take. 2 only we should not take. 29 we have to take. 29. Is it? Like this. Double the quotient and enter it with the blank on its right. So in the next step we have to double the quotient, that is 4. 2 plus 2 4, and 1 place we have to leave here, 1 digit. Is it? So 1 blank. Double the quotient and enter it with the blank on its right. Observe carefully. This quotient we have to double. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 we have to leave. And guess the largest possible digit to fill in the blank, which will also become the digit in the quotient. Here also and here also we have to fill only one number, both sides. Yes, such that when the new divisor is multiplied to the new quotient, the product is less than or equal to the dividend. In this case, observe here. Here 1 you can put. 41 ones are 41. 42 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 2 4s are 8. Let's check 43. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 129. Our answer is 129 here. So here we have to fill 3, 3, 129. Subtract it, will get 0. Then square root of 529 is equal to 23. We have to find like this. Consider one more example, 1296. Yes, so if you want, let us mark it 2 digits and here 2 digits. Okay, 12 we have to find in such a way that 2 2s are 4, it is very less. 3 3s are 9, it is less. 4 4s are 16, it is bigger. So we can take 3. 3 3s are here 9. Subtract it, we will get 12 minus 9 is 3. Take down 96 down. Here we have to double it. We have to add 3 plus 3 is 6. Here one number we have to fill. That number again we have to fill here. First 61 ones are 61. It is not related. 62 twos are, it is also like 124 and all. 63 threes are, let us check. You have to imagine like this. 3 threes are 9. 6 threes are 18. It is also very less. Let's check. 64 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. It is also a bit less. 65 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. Let us check one more number. 66 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39. It is exact number what we want. Fill here 6 and here 6. It is 396. This is the square root of 1296 is 36. We have to find like this. Next one, finding the square root of decimals. Consider one example, 17.64. It is also we have to find in same way. From here we have to these two lines. Yes, 1 every pair of digits beginning with the first decimal place. Proceed as usual. We get 17 and 64 one pair. Now proceed the same manner as we have done. Here 4 4s are 16 will be nearest to this. 1 remains here. Again take 64 down. Don't give here point. Here double it. 4 plus 4 8. Here one digit we have to fill which is suitable to this. Here 8. Here there is a point. We have to give point here because this section has completed. Don't give point here. 8 3s are, let us 83 3s are 24. It is very big. 82 2s are 2 2s are 4. 2s are 16. 164. So here fill 2 and here 2. It 164. Is it? So square root of 17.64 is 4.2. We have to find like this. Point. Estimation square roots. See, consider here, Devanshi has a square pieces of cloths area 125 centimeter square. She wants to know whether she can make handkerchief of side 15 centimeter. If that is not possible, she wants to know what is the maximum length of the side handkerchief that can be made from these pieces. Here we know that 100 is less than 250. We have to estimate that Meena and Shobha played a game. One told the number, other give a square root. Meena started first. She said the 25. Shobha answered quickly 5. Then Shobha 81. Meena answered 9. It went on till one point Meena gave number 250 and Shobha could not answer. Then Meena asked Shobha if could at least tell a number whose square is closer to 250. That is estimation. We know that 100 is less than 250 and it is greater than 400. So square root of 100 is 10, 400 is 20. So we can give the nearest number, but still we are not close to the square number. 15 square is 225, 16 square is 256. We can give approximately 16 because 15 is less than 2, square root of 250 is less than 16. It is much closer, which is 256 square. So by prediction also we can find that. Today we will finish here. You solve exercise 5.4. This is homework. Thank you.